World Cup final. Ishowspeed sai make at no dar som bale mi som bali to. Of course, bro. Ishowspeed sai make at to. Sai chavelu tu kin ai. I don't want to don't wear something. Sai make. Ishowspeed. Inse Ishowspeed ah. Inse lang tro. I'm looking in siang na bakin. Inse belo, chon.
Apa itu kan lihat lah.
Pan top ma về. Sai tiêm về. Come on, Argentina, come on. Asa ni ban sat mel ve nine team zo se no anom mun dong dong a zan ve la ti se MetLife Stadium, New York, New Jersey. Vì đó còn nhiều dù. Who is that, man? Chrome Heartbreaker. And Zai về chân tôi thì anh chân chua nó chân đầu tôi quá quá.
To the serious stuff of Spain against Argentina in the grand final of the FIFA 2026.
World Cup at tàu ta.
We are very much looking forward to the kickoff coming your way in just over an hour's time. The players have arrived.
Đã cả khát chuông rồi mà. Anh chân mày. World Cup final là nhé.
They won it back in 2022. Can they go again? That is the question. Can Spain win it? They won this back in 2010, and they would love nothing more than to do it again. What a night we have to look forward to. So after the break, we'll build up to this in a little bit more detail and delve into the key talking points and where this could be won and lost.
We got Coke. We got chips. Oh yeah, there's Messi, man. My God. My God, there. Come on, Argentina. Check it out. One time. Come on, man.